Good morning, student. I am Vishnu Mahanan, lecturer in English here of the Women's College, Teresina, District Kalahanti. I am going to give you some tips regarding sentence, how to write a good sentence. In these classes, we are going to discuss, and I am going to teach you how to write a good sentence. Sentence. Before that, we need to know what is the sentence. What is the sentence is actually? How? How can we write a good sentence? And what should be pointed out? And what should be given priority? Before that, we must have to know that meaning of the sentence. What is the meaning of the sentence? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. This is the meaning, the simple meaning of the sentence. Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. That should be make complete sense, not the half sense or zero sense. That can be called as sentence. But how to write a good sentence? We have to follow the pattern of the sentence. First, look at the blackboard. S plus B plus O. S plus B plus O is a simple pattern of the sentence. S stand for subject in Odia Karta. V stand for verbs in Odia Kriya. O stand for object. S stand for subject or in Odia Karta. V stand for verbs or Kriya in Odia. O stand for object. This is the simple pattern of a sentence. We can omit object. Except the object, a sentence can be right. Is except of object. We need not to complete a sentence. We need not an object in such cases. Subject and verb is enough for a sentence. If in a sentence subject and verb is not there, that is not a sentence, that is a meaningless sentence. Subject is the doer of a sentence who do the activities, and verb is the doing, that means who give information about the subject, who gives information regarding the subject is the verb. And object is something who gives information of the subject and who complete the subject, who complete the sentence, or who says about the work of a subject. Who says about the work of a subject is an object. But in some cases, object is not necessary. Subject and verb is sufficient. For example, Ram is going. Ram is going. Example. Ram is going. Ram is the subject in this sentence. Ram is going. Ram is a person. Ram is the subject of this sentence. Is the auxiliary verb or the helping verb. Going is the main verb. Ram is the subject. Is and going is the verb. There is no object. In some cases, object is not necessary for a sentence. Another example. Ram is going to market. Ram is going to market. Ram is the subject in this sentence. Is going is the verb of this sentence. To market is an object. Ram is the subject. Ram is the subject in this sentence. Is going is the verb and to market is the object. In this sentence, object to market complete the sentence. But in the first sentence, Ram is going. Where is going? That is not informed and that is not confirmed. We are not unknown about the Ram is going. Where is Ram is going? We don't know. Ram is going to market. In the second sentence, Ram is going to market. To market is confirm us. Ram is going to market. The first one is also a good sentence and second one is also a good sentence. Okay? Understood? Subject plus verb plus object is a simple pattern of a sentence. And in some cases, subject and verb is sufficient for a good sentence. If we follow this pattern, we can write a good sentence. Yes or no? If we follow this pattern, we can write good sentence. If you like my classes, ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ମୋର କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଭଲ ଲାଗଲା ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ like, share, comment and subscribe my channel to update with me and join freely my BM classes. Thank you.